Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and suppose to my YouTube channel, and we are today going to be picnic and all to roasting like chicken. And today we have lots of Pepsi, lots of chicken and lots of that's goat happen and cow happen to us. And I ask you this cow to, sir, where should we go for go for roasting? Can you tell me? Oh, there. No, no, no. I go. Don't go there. Then we are here to be finally, and this is my team. This is my partner. Those who are with me. And we today that's weather is very nice to be. You can see us from this kind of weather. The weather is not clear much, but we will meet again. This is the small river down here. Okay. Hello, dosto. The weather is not good much as well, but the view is very nice. The solar kachra, the F1 tree people, they all are very bad. They always throw their unusually things here. They didn't throw in water, so water couldn't carry the dirty things. So if I am saying mistake to, saying wrong to, then you all are forgive me. And my sister, Miss, what name do I call to you? That's name what to Neneng. And another one is my friend, very beautiful, from Taring Pumbu Society. Nice singing. Her voice like Sonu Nigam and Surya Ghosal to ekdam tabasering happened too. And that's to my brother. And another one is my friend, and first one is my friend also. Very nice singing. They all are like Kurungkume district, coming from their Chinese and all. What to happen? What the view unnecessary things happen? Wow. So this view known as Sigamrijo, and Sigamrijo colony in the last part of colony of Daporijo, Upper 7th district, is situated in longitude district 1.9010% global warming happen. That's, I think, raining happen some there, some not happen to there. And that's one second island, first island, and the island is Iceland. The Snow Island, and I am going to Snow Islands. Very happen to this nice view. Guys, I am carrying this now. The 20 kg happen very, and one Tarwal happen, Dow happen, Pepsi happen, and they also carry Pepsi. We reach our spot, picnic spot, roasting spot, and that is new restaurant hotel. They are cooling here happen.
बारिश था ना, वो हम लोग कॉलोनी का भी देख लिया होगा, बारिश अभी तो का देख लिया, उस समय इतना खिंचा था, टाइम नहीं हो रहा ना, हमको फोन रात का 2 बजे हमको बोला ना, क्या करेगा, फोन में नहीं करते थे ना, ये फोन ही जामा हम चाहेंगे बंद करते हैं, ये बोले हमें हम लोग आएगा तो झगड़ा नहीं होगा ना, बस वो हम लोग आ जाएगा, वो आगे खिंचा है, 2 मीटर तक, 2 मीटर
Hello, my viewers. Now we all are roasting the chicken and eating, putting nothing. What happened to my lid? This is ये chicken का है वो है पेट है ये लोग and they all are my friend Mr. Tang Siam Gumsung Nenging Char Mayaba and my school YouTuber actor, short film actor, and my dear Chalum. The lots of money having a more lots of 1,000 crore hajar lost today. And this is helmet, very good quality helmet, 1,000 price. If you wearing this and you click in water, nothing program to you. Use this while riding motorcycle. And some of them are there. Today we enjoy lots of memorable day to us. Nice feeling, happy feeling. Okay, bye. Now finally it's done. पक चुका है. ये तोड़ के निकल रहा है खाना को. खाना है. और यहाँ पे खाना रख के खाएंगे. Menengah ombonya ke singul ke roasting piknika dopa kunela. Oka dotu kula impure le kumaba kula. Menengah impure daknya dunia ke. Hey, दोस्तों हाय कीजिए. दोस्तों इधर हाय कीजिए. हाय कीजिए. वो तुम जो बोलना है बोलो. वो तो ब्लॉग में तुम खुद को देख के शर्मा है. Oka bana koi nagalinci, kopa nagatare, tongu tungkeng, aku amat labene, segang yagang gukade, mojila, bindu kuba.
Oke, ngora UMP dah limpek. Awas weh sini.
Okay, bye.